Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You've successfully cloned your hard drive or SSD, but when you try to boot from it, Windows just won't start. Don't worry, this is a very common issue after disk cloning. In this video, I'll explain why a cloned drive may fail to boot and walk you through the exact steps to fix it, so your system can start smoothly from the new disk. Part 1. Create a bootable media. Step 1. In the main interface, please click the Recover tab and select Boot Repair. Step 2. The Boot Repair tool will pop up. Please click Next to start the system's boot entries scan process. Step 3. After the process is completed, it will display the scan result, system paths, system versions, and boot status. And all reparable boot entries will be available to select. Step 4. Select one/multiple reparable boot entries you want to repair and click the Repair button to start the boot repair. Step 5. Wait for the repair process to finish. Once it is finished, you will get a Repair Successfully result. Part 2. Repair boot on a working PC. Step 1. Launch AOMEI Partition Assistant on a working PC, click Recover - Boot Repair, and then click the Create a bootable disk option to create a WinP boot repair disk. Step 2. Boot the PC that cannot boot into WinP. It will automatically load the boot repair tool and start the boot entries scan process. All boot entries will be displayed. Step 3. Select the reparable boot entries you want to repair and click the Repair button to start the repair. Step 4. Once the repair is repaired successfully, you can remove the bootable disk and boot the PC from the original system drive. And that's how you can quickly fix a cloned hard drive or SSD that won't boot in Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.